Children, from exercise 4.2, our first question is, in the given figure, three lines AB, CD and EF intersecting at point O. Okay, this is the given figure. In this, AB is the one line, CD is the second line and EF is the third line. Three lines AB, CD and EF intersecting at point O. Find the values of x, y and z. It is being given that x is to y is to z is equal 2 is to 3 is to 5. Okay, this is the given. We have to find the values of x, y and z. What is the given here? AB, CD and EF are the three lines intersecting at point O. Here angle AOC is equal to z degrees and angle EOD is equal to y degrees and angle BOF is equal to x degrees. We have to find the measures of x, y and z. See, observe this. AB and EF are the two intersecting lines. Here see, this is AB and this is EF. A, B, E, F. Here the angle measure given is x degrees. Then what is the angle which is opposite to x degrees? Just before we learn, what is that? Vertically opposite angles are equal. Theorem we have learned in this chapter. First theorem, that is vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay, when the two lines intersect with each other, the vertically opposite angle thus formed are equal. So here angle x is equal to the angle AOE. Angle x and angle AOE are opposite to each other. These are called the vertically opposite angles. Okay, what are the vertically opposite angles in this figure? Angle AOE and angle BOF. These are the two vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles are equal according to our theorem. When the two lines intersect with each other, the vertically opposite angles thus formed are equal. We have learned the theorem. So, by that theorem, angle BOF is equal to angle AOE. BOF is given x degrees. So, angle AOE also becomes x degrees. Okay. Already given x is to y is to z is equal 2 is to 3 is to 5. Okay, we have to find the measures of x, y and z. Okay, first you have to write what is the given. What is the given? AB, CD and EF intersecting at point O. Intersecting at O. Okay, these are the three lines intersecting at point O. And the ratio of x is to y is to z also given. X is to y is to z is equal to 2 is to 3 is to 5. Okay, this also they given in the question. Okay, what they given? A, B, C, D and E, F are the three lines intersecting at point O. And the ratio of x is to y is to z also given. 2 is to 3 is to 5. What we have to find? Values of x, y and z we have to find. How can you find? Observe the figure. In that angle BOF. Here this is the angle BOF. This is the angle BOF and angle AOE. AOE are the vertically opposite angles. So angle BOF is equal to angle AOE is equal to x degrees. Vertically opposite angles are equal. OPP means opposite. Angles are equal. Okay, why these two angles are equal? Angle BOF and angle AOE. See this. Angle BOF and angle AOE are the two vertically opposite angles. When these two lines are intersecting at point O, vertically opposite angles are equal. So, angle BOF is equal, angle AOE is equal to x degrees. So, it is x degrees. And we know this is the line. CD is a line. This is the line CD. So, on this line we have three angles. Z degrees, x degrees and y degrees. Okay, here OA is the ray and OE is another ray. OA is ray and OE is also ray. This is the line CD. On a line, if any more than one or more than two rays stands, here the all angles formed is equal to 180 degrees. Why? Because it is a line. Line means straight line. Straight angle is equal to 180 degrees. So here how many angles are formed? Three angles are formed. Z degrees, X degrees, Y degrees. Z degrees, X degrees, Y degrees. So sum of these three angles equal to 180 degrees. Okay. CD is a line, OA and OE are the rays standing on CD. Okay, here this is the line, OA and OE are the rays standing on, this is OE, are rays standing on CD. So according to the angle pair of linear pair of angles axiom, so these three angles sum is equal to 180 degrees. So angle Z plus angle X plus angle Y is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, straight angle measure. What is a straight angle measure? 180 degrees. And we know X is to Y is to Z is equal to 2 is to 3 is to 5. Okay, here we have to change the order. X plus Y plus Z. X degrees plus Y degrees plus Z degrees is equal to 180 degrees. And X is to Y is to Z is equal to 2 is to 3 is to 5. Then the measures of X, Y and Z becomes 2X, 3X and 5X. Okay. The measures of X, Y and Z are 2x degrees, 3x degrees and 5x degrees. Okay. Why? Because the ratio of X is to Y is to Z they given 2 is to 3 is to 5. So the measures becomes 2x degrees, 3x degrees and 5x. So by adding these three angles what we get? 180 degrees. So 2x degrees plus 3x degrees plus 5x degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, 2x plus 3x plus 5x. You have to add the constants. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 5, 10x is equal to 180 degrees. So from this 10x means 10 into x. We have to find the variable x. So x is equal to 180 by 10, that is equal to 18. Numerator 0, denominator 0 gets cancelled. So x is equal to 18. Okay, here the measures of x, y and z are 2x degrees, 3x degrees and 5x degrees now. So x value we got 18 degrees. X equal to 18. Therefore, the measures of x, y and z are x is 2x degrees. So 2x is equal to x. Already we got 18. So 2x means 2 into x. So 2 into 18 is equal to 36 degrees is the x measure. That is 2x means x degrees. X measure. Then y, how can you get? Y is equal to 3x. So 3x is equal to 3 into x is 18 degrees. So 3 into 18, 3 8s are 24. 2 here, 3 1s are 3 plus 2, 54 degrees is the y. And z measure. Z is equal to 5x. So 5x is equal to 5 into x. Okay, 5 into x, that is equal to x already 18. So 18 you have to substitute. 5 8s are 40. 5 1s are 5 plus 4, 90 degrees. Okay, 3 angles x, y and z becomes 36 degrees, 54 degrees and 90 degrees. Okay. Children, from exercise 4.2, our second question is find the value of x in the following figures. Find the value of x in the following figures. we have to find the value of x in all these four figures. Okay, the first figure is, this is AC line, OB is a ray standing on it. So here the angle measure, angle AOB is given 3x plus 18 degrees, angle BOC is given 93 degrees. By using the linear pair of angles axiom, AC is a line, OB is the ray standing on it. So sum of these two angles equal to 180 degrees. By using this, you have to find the value of x. 3x plus 18 plus 93 equal to 180 degrees. Simplify that equation, you will get the value of x degrees. Okay, you have to find that. Next, second question is, here this is OA ray, OB ray and OC ray. It is a point O. All these have a common vertex O, and the angle measures given are, here the angle AOB is equal to x minus 24 degrees and angle BOC is equal to 29 degrees, and the reflex angle AOC is equal to 296 degrees. What we know? The angle at a point is equal to 360 degrees. Okay? The complete angle measure, the angle making at a point, that is the complete angle measure, that is equal to 360 degrees. So by adding all these angles that equating to 360 degrees, we get the value of x. And the third question is, here this is AOC, that is equal to 90 degrees. In that AOC again we have two angles, 40 degrees and 6x plus 2 degrees. So sum of these two angles equal to 90 degrees. 40 degrees plus 6x plus 2 degrees equal to 90 degrees. Solve that equation, then you get the value of x. And the fourth figure is, here these are the three lines, AC, BD and EF are the three lines intersecting at point O. Here BD and AC are the two lines intersecting at O. Then what are these two angles are called? Vertically opposite angles. BD, AC are intersecting. Here these two angles formed are called the vertically opposite angles. 2 plus 3x is equal to 62. Equation. Solve that equation, you get the x value. Okay. Here first one, third one and fourth one you have to do yourself. And the second one, I will write the solution now. Second one. What is this? At a point, the sum of the angle at a point is equal to 360 degrees. Complete angle. Okay, at a point, the angle making at a point is 360 degrees. Complete angle measure is 360 degrees. By using that, you have to find. So the first angle AOB angle is x minus 24 degrees, BOC angle is 29 degrees, the reflex angle measure is 296 degrees. Sum of these three angles equal to complete angle, that is equal to 360 degrees. Okay. So x minus 24 degrees plus 29 degrees plus reflex angle measure is 296 degrees is equal to 360 degrees. Okay, complete angle measure. Complete angle equal to 360. Okay, now simplify this. Solve that equation, then you get the x value. Okay, x is the unknown value. You have to keep it left hand side. Whatever constants are there, you have to transfer to the right hand side. Only x you have to keep it left hand side. Okay. X is equal after the constant number. First you have to write that as it is 360 degrees. Now minus 24 transfer to the right hand side, that becomes plus 24, and plus 29 becomes minus 29, plus 296 becomes minus 296. Okay, here all the constants we are transferring to the right hand side. While transferring from left hand side to right hand side, minus becomes plus and plus becomes minus. Okay, plus becomes minus. Now in these, here four constant numbers are there. In these, 360 is a positive integer, plus 24 is a positive integer. You have to add the two positive integers. 360 plus 24. 0 plus 4, 4. 6 plus 2, 8. 3, right, as it is. 384 is the sum of two positive integers. And minus 29 minus 296. Minus 29 minus 296. Add the two negative integers. Minus into minus plus. That means you have to add these two negative integers. 9 plus 6, 15. 2 plus 1, 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 9, 12. 1 carried to next place. Carried 1 plus 2, 3. Minus 325. Okay. 360 plus 24 equal to 384. Minus 29 minus 296 equal to minus 325. Here one is the positive and one is the negative. So you have to subtract. 384 minus 325. You have to subtract. 4 minus 5 not possible. So take borrow. Borrowing carries 10. 10 plus 4 14. 14 minus 5 9. How much remains here? 7. 7 minus 2 5. 3 minus 3 0. Left side extreme position 0 means meaningless. So no need to write. So x equal to 59 degrees. Okay. Here this is the complete angle. Here three angles are given. The sum of these three angles equal to complete angle measure 360 degrees. By solving that equation we got x equal to 59 degrees. Okay. Here remaining first, third and fourth you have to do yourself.